Good day. This is the unboxing of the Tomahawk Black Ultimate 3-piece throwing knife set. I probably bought this on Wish or Amazon. Let's see what they got here. Comes with a little holder with the, what do you call that? A strap. And these never come out so easily, do they? Oh, apparently they're separate little pockets. Pretty cool. I'm not sure why they're serrated right here. If they're throwing them, they need to be balanced. It's not very evenly weighted. Sorry, let's go this way. Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, I guess if you throw it one direction, it'll fly. I guess it's weird that it's Tomahawks. I guess I don't know. 3 of the same ones. Each one has a pocket and a holder. Okay, each packaged well enough. Cool.